In the rolling hills of ancient Israel, a young shepherd named David stood firm, his slight stature dwarfed by the imposing figure of the Philistine giant, Goliath. The battleground, a windswept field dotted with wildflowers and grazing sheep, seemed like an unlikely place for a defining moment in the annals of history. Yet here, courage would meet its ultimate test. David, clothed simply in shepherd's garb, gripped his sling with practiced hands. His heart, though young, was emboldened by a deep faith that resonated through his very being. He had faced lions and bears, protecting his father's flock with the very same sling. In his heart, the defense of Israel was no different. Where others saw impossibility, David saw the promise of victory and deliverance, a testament to his unwavering belief. Goliath, a monumental figure clad in bronze armor that shimmered under the high sun, bellowed his taunts. His voice rumbled through the air like thunder. The epitome of brute strength and menacing confidence, yet each step he took was met with the resolute gaze of the young David, whose courage seemed to magnify the landscape itself. As the distance closed between the two, Goliath raised his javelin, underestimating the power and precision of a shepherd boy armed with faith. With a calculated swing, David launched a stone from his sling, its flight swift and true. The stone struck Goliath's forehead with a force that reverberated through the canyon, and he fell to the earth with a great crash. The field, once alive with the sounds of war, fell into a hush. It was a scene that captured the essence of adventure and hope, one that showed that true strength lies not in stature or weaponry, but within the heart. David stood over the fallen giant, his heart still pounding from the adrenaline of the moment, yet filled with a profound sense of peace. His belief had made the impossible a reality, and his faith forever etched his name into history. As the shepherd sheepishly returned to his flock, the echoes of his victory whispered across the plains, carrying with them a lesson for generations, that courage and faith, even in the smallest measure, can conquer the mightiest of foes.